Hey there, fellow travelers and luggage enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share my comprehensive review of the Samsonite Omni 2 Hardside Expandable Luggage with spinner wheels. We're looking at the complete 3-piece set in this gorgeous Nova Teal color that I've been testing for the past few weeks. Before we dive in, if you're new here, we focus on honest, detailed travel gear reviews to help you make informed decisions before your next trip. And if you find this review helpful, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more content just like this. Let me tell you, when I first unboxed this luggage set, the vibrant Nova Teal color immediately caught my eye. It's not just stylish, but also practical since it stands out on those crowded baggage carousels. I can't tell you how many times I've waited anxiously trying to spot my plain black suitcase among hundreds of others. With this eye-catching color, that's no longer an issue. The exterior features a micro-diamond polycarbonate texture, which isn't just for looks. This thoughtful design element helps resist scratches and scuffs that are inevitable during travel. I've taken the carry-on on 3 flights already, and I'm happy to report it still looks nearly as good as new, with only minor cosmetic marks that you'd have to look closely to notice. Now let's talk about what makes this luggage set special. The Omni 2 is constructed from 100% polycarbonate, striking that perfect balance between durability and weight. When you're rushing through airports or lifting bags into overhead bins, every ounce matters. These pieces are surprisingly lightweight while still feeling substantial and protective of your belongings. I've tested many spinner luggage options over the years, and the wheels on the Omni 2 are genuinely impressive. Each suitcase comes equipped with 4 multi-directional oversized dual spinner wheels. What does that mean in practice? Well, I was able to navigate through a packed terminal during holiday travel with minimal effort. The wheels glide smoothly on various surfaces, from carpet to tile to pavement, making your travel experience significantly less stressful. The telescoping handle system works in tandem with those spinner wheels to provide comfortable control. I should mention that when fully extended, there is a slight wobble. Not enough to be problematic, but it's worth noting. Despite this minor issue, I found the handle comfortable to grip during extended periods of walking through airports and train stations. When we travel, security is always a concern, and Samsonite has addressed this with side-mounted TSA-approved locks on each piece. These aren't just any locks. They're specifically designed to allow TSA agents to inspect your luggage without damaging the lock mechanism. I particularly appreciate this feature as someone who has had locks cut off in the past during random security checks. Let's peek inside these beauties. The interior organization features are thoughtfully designed with a full zip divider and cross straps to keep your clothes and belongings secure and minimize shifting. I was able to pack for a week-long trip using just the 24-inch spinner, and everything arrived in good order without the usual chaos I find when opening my suitcase at a destination. One feature that really saved me on my return trip was the expandable design. We all know how souvenirs and shopping can suddenly make your perfectly packed suitcase impossible to close. With the expansion zipper, I gained those crucial extra inches of packing space without compromising the structural integrity of the luggage. Now for the practical details. The 20-inch carry-on measures 19.6 by 14.75 by 9.5 inches, which adheres to most domestic airline size restrictions. I've taken it on flights with 4 different airlines now, without any issues at the gate. The 24-inch and 28-inch spinners provide ample space for longer trips or family packing. The 28-inch is particularly spacious. I could probably fit everything I own in there if I tried. Durability is always a concern with luggage investments, and Samsonite backs the Omni 2 with a 10-year limited warranty against defects in materials and workmanship. This level of manufacturer confidence speaks volumes about the expected lifespan of these products. While I haven't had to test the warranty service yet, it's reassuring to know it's there. Let's address some potential drawbacks. I mentioned the slight wobble in the telescoping handle when fully extended. It's not a deal breaker by any means, but something to be aware of. Also, while the polycarbonate shell does resist major damage admirably, it can pick up minor cosmetic scratches over time. If you're someone who needs their luggage to look pristine forever, this might be a consideration. How does the Omni 2 stack up against competitors? In my experience testing various luggage brands, Samsonite has found a sweet spot with this set. While brands like Travel Pro might offer more internal organization pockets, the Omni 2 compensates with its robust construction and exceptional maneuverability. The price point is also competitive for the quality and features you're getting. I should mention that this luggage set has become a favorite among frequent travelers for good reason. During my research, I found numerous positive reviews highlighting the same features I've come to appreciate: the smooth rolling wheels, expandability, and overall durability. Several reviewers specifically mentioned successful trips through notoriously rough baggage handling systems without significant damage. The Nova Teal color isn't your only option, by the way. The Omni 2 comes in several color choices to suit your personal style. But I have to say, this teal has garnered more compliments from fellow travelers than any luggage I've owned previously. For business travelers, the sleek professional appearance coupled with functional features makes this an excellent choice. For family vacationers, the varying sizes allow everyone to have appropriately sized luggage. And for solo adventurers like myself, the durability means one less thing to worry about when exploring new destinations. To sum it all up, the Samsonite Omni 2 Hardside Expandable Luggage 3-piece set delivers on its promises. You get stylish, durable, and highly functional luggage that should serve you well for years of adventures. The spinner wheels make airport navigation a breeze. The TSA locks provide peace of mind, and the expandable design offers flexibility when you need it most. Is it perfect? No luggage is. But the minor issues are far outweighed by the benefits, making this set a worthwhile investment for travelers of all types. Whether you're planning weekend getaways or extended international journeys, these pieces are designed to meet your needs without adding unnecessary stress to your travel experience. I hope this review has been helpful in your luggage decision-making process. If you have any questions about the Samsonite Omni 2 that I haven't covered, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer based on my experience with these pieces. Thank you for watching today's review. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more travel gear reviews and tips. Until next time, happy travels, and may your luggage always arrive safely at your destination.